Welcome to BKframes.com. This tutorial will show you how to make a purchase on our website. In order to see prices online, the first thing you have to do is log in with your user account. If you do not have it already, you must create it and wait for it to be enabled by BKframes. Once you log into your account, you can browse our website searching for the products you want. To see the products, click on the Brands tab and select the product line you are interested in. Then, choose between the different lines and collections available. By clicking on an option, you can see the complete list of these products. Use the filters in the left column to narrow the search according to your interests. Select the product of interest and click View Details, and you will see technical product information, user manuals, videos, and description. You can visualize the products in 360 degrees. To add the product to your cart, specify the quantity and click on Add to Cart. Continue surfing the website if you want to add more products to your cart, for example, instrument. Once you've chosen all the products, review in detail the summary of your order. Click on View Cart. You can make changes. If you do so, press Update Cart. If you have a coupon, you can enter it. Click on Checkout when you are ready. Fill in the details of delivery and billing address of your preference. Click Continue. Select the payment method of your preference. Last, click Submit Order, and that's it. Your order is placed. You will receive an email from BKframes confirming that you have successfully made the purchase. All you need for your optical business.